everybody, welcome to the Scars. Come on, views and files. Welcome to tuning. If you guys want to see a review on the Jamaican Mango and Lime, please stay tuned. Hey everybody, so I haven't done a review in like forever, and I was trying to see if I was gonna do a voiceover or was I going to do like how I used to do back in the day and have it, you know, whatever the case is. So I was like, let me just do it. I'm not going to do no voiceover because nobody has time for voiceovers, okay? I already have a hard enough time doing the editing and stuff like that. So yeah. So here we are. Now I'm going to try to be as thorough as possible like I usually been on all of my reviews, because I had somebody say something on one of my reviews, which was an oil review, and I'm not going to name the brand, but yeah, they said I really didn't explain. So yeah, so this is going to be very thorough. So y'all sit tight as I go back to how I used to, whatever the case is. I guess I was a little rusty or whatever the case is, and plus it's an oil. So yeah, but anyway, I digress. All right, so yeah, so here we are. We're talking about this, okay? This is the Rasta Locs Twist Jamaican Mango and Lime Tingle Shampoo. I'm going to read what's on the label, and then we're going to get into it, okay? Like I usually do, okay? So I'm going to, you know, give the synopsis, okay? All right, so the Tingle Shampoo massages scalp, relieves itching, removes buildup, gently cleanses, shampooing stimulant, and oh, they have another language here. Okay. All right. So on the back it says Tingle Shampoo. Rasta Locs and Twist products combine ancient Jamaican recipes and nourishing natural ingredients to develop a complete line of products to start and maintain healthy, well-groomed locks and twists. Okay. Directions: wet hair thoroughly using warm water, then pour a small amount into hand and distribute throughout the hair. Massage hair with fingertips. Rinse and repeat 1 or 2 times. Thoroughly rinse shampoo from the hair and towel blot. Apply Jamaican Mango Lime Protein Conditioner, which I do not do. Okay. All right. And the ingredients, they have deionized water, ammonium lauryl sulfate, camphor, menthol, fragrance, and some other things. Okay. And this is good for 12 months once you open it. And they have Jamaican MangoLime.com. And I purchased this from Sally's, and this is 8 ounces. And that's just basically about that. So we're gonna get a close-up now. I'm gonna try to do the consistency, okay? And this is a shampoo, you know, it's kind of hard to do consistency, so let's just try, okay? All right, so let's just see here. And I don't want to waste shampoo, but oh, we're just gonna do a little bit. Okay. Ooh, oh Jesus. Okay. All right. Okay, so there it is. It's like not too opaque. It's like a green, like clear at the same time, okay? All right, so we done with that. All right, so yeah, so here we are. Okay, so the consistency is pretty good. It's nice. It's like the opaque, like clear type deal. The smell, it smells like a menthol type deal. It smells like a fresh scent. Once you put it on your hair, now when I wash my hair, I always rinse first, okay? So I always rinse first because there's already product on my hair. Now I love suds, but sometimes when you first put it on, maybe because the amount of product that you have on is not going to suds up as you would like. But once you rinse off that first time, and once you do it the second time, you'll have a lot of suds, okay? Because you had to remove, you know, the product the first time, and then when you do it again, you get more suds, okay? So I do wash my hair twice. I do it twice, or whatever the case is, and then I follow up with another shampoo. Okay, I do that because with this, not saying that it doesn't fully cleanse my hair, but I need something else to uplift it. This is just like a starter, if you will, okay? So I use this, and then I use something else. Now it did cleanse my scalp. You can see that it cleansed the scalp, or whatever the case is. There was probably some buildup on one of the locks, like just a little bit on this side. So the buildup didn't come out, or I didn't rinse out that much over there. But it looked like the buildup was trying to lift off, but it didn't get a chance to. So I had to follow up with my other shampoo like I usually do. So I know y'all probably like, well, then why you got this shampoo when you have to follow up with another shampoo? Why don't you just use the other shampoo? I just like this. I like this because the tingly feeling, okay? All right. It does massage the scalp. It it does relieve itching. Okay, it does relieve itching. This is why I use this too. It does relieve itching, and it gently cleanses. Okay, this is why. It doesn't say you know, take the buildup off, lift off it gently. Okay, that is the key word, gently. Okay, so this is why I have to follow up with a clarifying shampoo. Okay, so that's what I do. I'm not gonna tell you what clarifying shampoo I do, but I may do a review on that at another later date. Okay, all right, so that's just basically about that. But it says removes buildup, but it says gently cleansing at the same time. So just like so I'm guessing like they're trying to say it doesn't strip your hair, which it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't strip your hair. So that's just basically about that. It does suds up. I love the suds. I like the tingly feeling. It's like a cool sensation. It's a cool feeling. And that's just basically about that. So yeah, so I do use this twice, and then I follow with another shampoo. Okay, so that's just basically about that. So it does tingle a little bit, and it also depends on your hair. Okay, whatever, you know, whatever products that you have in your hair and stuff like that. So just be aware of that. And you know, and it says to you know, do it like 2 or 3 times. Okay, so you know that you really have to like use this. And plus it's only 8 ounces, so it's like you're using mad of the shampoo, you know, to try to get the product off. You know, they're saying lather 2 or 3 times, so it's just like, bruh, why can't I just do 2? You know, so it's just like, it depends on how much product you have on your hair. So if you've been slapping on gels and this and that and JBCO, Evo, and you know, almond oil and a whole bunch of stuff, then yeah, it's gonna take 3 or 4 washes. But that's just basically about that. But yeah, but I do like this. I've been using this since I started my locks, so I obviously like it. So I will give this 5. I would give this 4 stars. 4 stars because it doesn't cleanse the way I want it to cleanse. Okay, it does a good job at cleaning, but it doesn't all the way lift all the dirt off, if you will. That's why I have to follow up with a clarifying shampoo. So and also and that's just one of the things. That's it. That's just basically about that. Everything else, it does massage the scalp, it does relieve itching, and it does gently cleanse. It gently cleanse off. So I would say I would use this probably in between washes, or like if you want to wash probably once a week, or probably I would say use this like after you get out the pool, like when you get like say if you're swimming in the pool, maybe you could use this, you know, you could use this because whatever the case, I don't know. Or like you could use this like say if you only say if you just want to wash your hair and you worked out for the week and you want to wash your hair, I will use this, okay, because it's only been a week or whatever the case is, and you use this or whatever the case is because it gently cleanses, you getting some dirt off or whatever the case, like the sweat and stuff like that. I would use this, okay. So I would give this 4 stars. Would I recommend this product? Yes, I would recommend this product to people that are starting locks. If you're trying to look for something to start off with, you want to gently cleanse and stuff like that and treat your hair, you know, nicely, I would say purchase this. I forgot how much it costs. I would definitely entertain a video, y'all. I always see, I'm back to this. I never remember. You can purchase this from Sally's. You can purchase this offline. I believe they have this. I don't know where else they have this. Probably at your local beauty supply store. I could purchase from there. I purchased it from there before. Maybe Walmart, I don't know. But I forgot how much it costs, so I will definitely, the price is not on here. So yeah, so because you know, on the beauty supply store they had the price tag, but I think I purchased this one from Sally. So yeah, so wherever your local store sells it, you can purchase this, or you can purchase it offline if you're an online shopper like I am. Okay, so that's just basically about that. Would I recommend this product again? Yes. Well, would I purchase this product again? Was it my price range? I believe so. I don't think this was over $10, so I believe this was in my price range. Okay, because I've been buying it. It's probably like my 4th or 5th bottle, so I've been buying this. It's in my price range. Okay. And plus I don't wash my hair like every week, so it's like it lasts. Okay, so that's just basically, and depending upon how much product you use, because I be ODing sometimes I'm like whoop, doing all that, like I'm like, bro, you don't gotta use that much out here. Okay, all right, so that's basically about that. But yeah, so yeah, and I like the way it smells. It smells like nice and refreshing, and it's like a menthol smell. And caution, do not get this in your eye, okay, because do not get this in your eyes because you will it'll burn. Okay, so yeah, so this stuff is strong. Okay, all right, so that's basically about that. But yeah, so I'm done. I think I asked all my questions on the consistency scale of the it's pretty good. It's not loose, it's not watery. I'll give it like a 6 maybe, or 5, you know, and it's, you know, so, and I like the color, like, you know, the color, it's like kind of opaque, but not really opaque, and it's like I mean, it's green, so I don't know if I like the color. I didn't mean to say that, but you know. But yeah, so that's basically about that. So I am done, y'all. So that is it. So that's what I washed my hair with. Let me know what you guys washed your hair with, or did you purchase this? If you purchased this, what works for me may not work for you, and vice versa. Okay, all right. So if you guys have used this, please let me know. There has been some people that have not liked this, and yeah, so you know, to each his own. Okay, so let me know, and that's just basically about that, you guys. Okay, I am done, and that is my review, and I hope this was as thorough as I could make it. Okay, I do like this. I will purchase it again. I'll give it 4 stars, and I really like it, and it does try to lift the dirt off, but not as much. Okay, so like I said, to each his own. Everybody is different, and if you want to do a trial and error, try for yourself. Okay, try for yourself. That's all I can say. Okay, so that's just basically what you guys saw. And that's a couple of things I cannot say. Thank you for watching. Peace. Bye.